Hi and welcome to Next FX Studio. Today we are going to learn how to create this animated glowing grid background using After Effects. Create new composition first. Set time around 5 to 6 seconds. Now create new solid layer by pressing Ctrl+Y. I am going to change layer color to black, but it doesn't matter. Now go to Effect, click on Generate and click on Grid. Now you can see the grid layer is generated. I am going to change size from to width and height. Okay, now I am setting around 170 for both of them. Perfect. Go to Effects and Presets, search Gradient Ramp and drag and drop into our layer. I am select red here and move the upper anchor point to middle and bottom anchor point to right corner. Now select the radial ramp. Again go to Effect and Presets. Search Glow and drag and drop into our layer. I am using default value here. And go back to Effects and Preset. Search Turbulent Displacement. Drag it into our layer. Set amount between 15 to 20. Set time to 0. And keep pressing Alt key on your keyboard. Click on the stopwatch icon in your Evolution tab. If you done it correctly, you can see the code part appear in here. I am gonna put value time by 50. Now you can play the animation you created. Okay, it's perfect. But I'm gonna change value to 150. Now it's looking cool. If you like this tutorial, hit the like button and make sure to subscribe my channel. See you in next one.